Ram Vilas Paswan, champion of the marginalized and stalwart of Indian politics. Ram Vilas Paswan was a prominent Indian politician known for his unwavering commitment to social justice and his tireless advocacy for the rights of marginalized communities. Over a political career spanning more than 5 decades, Paswan emerged as a key figure in Indian politics, known for his leadership in the Lok Janshakti Party (LJP) and his influential roles in various government cabinets. This article explores the life, career, and legacy of Ram Vilas Paswan. Early life and education. Ram Vilas Paswan was born on July 5, 1946, in Shaharbani village of Khagaria district in Bihar. He hailed from a Dalit family and faced the social and economic challenges typical of marginalized communities in rural India. Despite these hardships, Paswan excelled academically. He earned a Bachelor of Laws and a Master of Arts in Political Science from Kosi College, Khagaria, and Patna University respectively. Entry into politics. Paswan's political journey began in the late 1960s, influenced by the socialist ideals of leaders like Jayaprakash Narayan and Ram Manohar Lohia. In 1969, he joined the Sanyukta Socialist Party and was elected to the Bihar Legislative Assembly. His rise in politics was meteoric. By 1974, he had become a significant figure in the anti-emergency movement led by Jayaprakash Narayan. Paswan was jailed during the emergency 1975-1977 imposed by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, which only bolstered his reputation as a staunch defender of democracy and civil liberties. Parliamentary career. Ram Vilas Paswan was first elected to the Lok Sabha, the lower house of India's parliament, in 1977 on a Janata Party ticket from Hajipur constituency in Bihar, setting a record for the highest margin of victory. His electoral success continued, and he was re-elected to the Lok Sabha multiple times over the next 4 decades, representing Hajipur and later other constituencies. Formation of the Lok Janshakti Party. In 2000, Paswan founded the Lok Janshakti Party (LJP) with the aim of providing a political platform dedicated to the upliftment of Dalits and other marginalized communities. The LJP, under Paswan's leadership, became a significant player in Bihar's politics and a crucial ally for various national coalitions. Ministerial roles. Paswan's political acumen and ability to forge alliances across party lines made him a valuable asset in successive Indian governments. He held various ministerial portfolios under different prime ministers, including 8. Minister of Labour and Welfare, 1989-1990, under Prime Minister VP Singh, Paswan focused on labour rights and welfare measures for workers. 2. Minister of Railways, 1996-1998, in H.D. Deve Gowda's cabinet, Paswan initiated several modernization projects and improvements in railway infrastructure. 3. Minister of Communications and Information Technology, 1999-2001, serving under Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Paswan oversaw key developments in India's telecom sector. 4. Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizer, 2004-2009, in Manmohan Singh's government, Paswan worked towards ensuring the availability of essential drugs and fertilizer at affordable prices. 5. Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, 2014-2020, serving in Narendra Modi's cabinet, Paswan implemented critical policies related to food security, consumer rights, and public distribution systems. Advocate for social justice. Throughout his career, Ram Vilas Paswan was an ardent advocate for social justice. He consistently worked towards policies aimed at improving the socio-economic conditions of Dalits, backward classes, and minorities. His efforts included advocating for reservation policies, affirmative action, and social welfare programs. Paswan's commitment to social justice was reflected in his legislative work and his active participation in debates concerning social equity. Personal life and legacy. Ram Vilas Paswan married Rajkumari Devi in 1960, and they had 2 daughters. The couple later separated, and in 1983, he married Reena Sharma, with whom he had a son and a daughter. His son, Chirag Paswan, followed in his political footsteps and became the leader of the Lok Janshakti Party after Paswan's passing. Paswan's death on October 8, 2020, marked the end of an era in Indian politics. His passing was mourned by leaders across the political spectrum, reflecting the broad respect he commanded. Conclusion: Ram Vilas Paswan's life and career are a testament to his dedication to social justice, his adeptness in navigating India's complex political landscape, and his unwavering commitment to the upliftment of marginalized communities. As a seasoned parliamentarian and a compassionate leader, Paswan's contributions have left an indelible mark on Indian politics. His legacy continues to inspire future generations to pursue the ideals of equality, justice, and inclusive development.